How to fix blurry story on Facebook 2023. Hi guys, so in this video, I'll teach you how to fix blurry story on Facebook 2023. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to do that, let's head over to our Facebook account, and then from in there, you can see those three lines right here. So click on those three lines, and then from in there, you can see this gear icon. So click on this gear icon right here, and then this will redirect to the settings and privacy of your account. So from in there, just scroll down until you can find media right here. But if you can find that, you can use this search bar right here in order to search for media. So let's click on media right there, and then from in here, make sure that your settings is applied to optimize and not on data server. And then from in here on the autoplay, you can use on mobile data and Wi-Fi. You can start a video with sounds in an app, and all of that. Make sure that you apply the same settings from me, because that will give you the most not so blurry story on Facebook. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to fix blurry story on Facebook 2023. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below, and if not, do not forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.